Want to make your Samsung phone's lock screen more personal and useful? It's important because a customized lock screen can give you a quick access to info without unlocking your phone. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to enable the Always On Display feature and customize your lock screen. Let's get started. First, go to the settings. Scroll down a little bit. Then tap on Lock Screen. After that, scroll down again. Here, you will find the Always On Display option. Now tap on it, then make sure to toggle it on. From here, tap When to Show. Here, you can select your display show option, such as tap to show, or you can set a schedule on it. If you go back, you can turn on music information to show on your lock screen. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay relaxed.